Taiwan Mandarin with Mavis. We're finishing up the last part of vowels to wrap up all the characters in Bopomofo today. To make it easier to digest, I've broken all the 37 Zhuyin characters into 4 videos, 2 for consonants and 2 for vowels. For those of you who are new to the channel, you can find the video links to the other parts of the series in the description box. Shall we? Make sure you stay until the end of the video to learn some words that end with these 9 vowels. We're starting with I. Repeat after me. I. The equivalent will be how you pronounce the symbol AI in Pinyin, which is also I. This one is exactly the same pronunciation as saying I or I. Then we have A. Repeat after me. A. The equivalent will be how you pronounce the symbol EI in Pinyin, which is also A. Hay, lake, paid, ate, snail. Do you recognize the common vowel here? Yes, it's the EY sound in English. Or it's simply like when you're saying the alphabet A. Next comes ow. Repeat after me. Ow. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol AO in Pinyin, which is also ow. Ouch, without a CH. Ow. There goes O. Repeat after me. O. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol OU in Pinyin, which is also O. The exact sound in English would be when you're saying the alphabet O. The vowels must be the easiest to learn because each of them has an equivalent sound in English. I, A, ow, O. On deck is an. Repeat after me. An. The equivalent will be how you pronounce the symbol AN in Pinyin, which is also an. This is a hard one. I would say think of the spelling of AHN, the ah sound, like in car or ah, but end it with an N sound, like an. You might need to practice a few times, but you'll get it. Another hard one is N. Repeat after me. N. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol EN in Pinyin, which is also N. For English speakers, you might think it's the same sound as the letter N, but it's not. Think of a combination of the sound in cut and the sound of N. N, no. N, yes. N. Here we've got Repeat after me. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol ANG in Pinyin, which is also The correct pronunciation of this one is exactly its Pinyin symbol ANG. The next character is on. Repeat after me. On. The equivalent will be how you pronounce the symbol ENG in Pinyin, which is also on. This one's a little tricky too. The sound is mostly nasal. Think of the short O sound in the word cost and the NG sound in the word king. The very last Zhuyin character we've got here is Repeat after me. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol ER in Pinyin, which is also Finally, another easy one. The correct pronunciation is exactly in its Pinyin symbol ER. It's just like saying Oh my god, that's a wrap! We're completely done with the book chart. 37 Zhuyin characters under your belt. Kudos! As always, I've got some common words ending with this set of vowels for you to memorize. Let's review the 9 vowels we've just learned. I, A, Ao, O, An, N, Ang, I, 心 heart, 爱心 白菜 cabbage, 白菜 A, 贝壳 shell, 贝壳 肥皂 soap, 肥皂 凹帽子 hat, 帽子 脚印 footprint, 脚印 O, 手套 gloves, 手套 海鸥 seagull, 海鸥 安眼镜 eyeglasses, 眼镜 船 boat, 船 云 cloud, 云 盆栽 potted plant, 盆栽 香蕉 banana, 香蕉 螃蟹 crab, 螃蟹 耳机 earphones, 耳机 儿童 child, 儿童 From B to you've learned all the 37 Zhuyin characters. Have you mastered them already? Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you plan to continue working on your Mandarin Chinese and learning Taiwan Mandarin with me. Don't forget to download the worksheets that I created for you in the description box or by scanning the QR code on the screen to practice writing and memorizing the 9 vowels we learned today. Thank you for watching this series of videos and learning Bopomofo with me. Please don't hesitate to leave your feedback in the comment section. Bye, 下次见。